Let's be real. Most people wake up like NPCs, rolling out of bed, grabbing their phone, scrolling through nonsense and before they even brush their teeth. And then they wonder why their life feels like a mess. Here's the truth. If your morning is chaotic, your life is chaotic, period. But if you start your day like this, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. So listen up, because the way you wake up determines everything. Step 1. Win the first decision of the day. That first moment in the morning, it sets the tone for your entire day. Most people lose it. They hit snooze, roll over, procrastinate on life before they even begin. But successful people, they get up immediately. No negotiations, no 5 more minutes. Because small habits create momentum. And if you can't even win the first battle, getting out of bed, you're setting yourself up to lose the rest. Step 2, the 5-second rule. Struggling to get up right away? That's normal. Your brain is wired to keep you comfortable. But here's the hack. The 5-second rule. When your alarm goes off, count down from 5. Get up. Don't think, don't negotiate, just move. Because the second you hesitate, your brain will talk you out of it. So beat your brain before it beats you. Step 3, move before your mind wakes up. Feeling groggy? Most people mistake that for a sign to stay in bed. But the truth is, movement creates energy. Push-ups, jump squats, cold shower. Do something to jolt your system before your brain convinces you to be lazy. When you move, you take control, not your excuses. Step 4, control your inputs. Your brain is most vulnerable in the first 30 minutes after waking up. So what do most people do? They drown in social media, emails, notifications. Stop. Your morning should be your time, not the world's time. If the first thing you do is check your phone, you're training your brain to chase distractions. Instead, read, journal, meditate, control your inputs, and you'll control your life. Step 5, dominate your first hour. Now that you're up, moving, and disconnected from distractions, it's time to set the tone. Your first hour is your launch pad. Here's how to make it count. Review your goals. Remind yourself why you're doing this. Engage in deep work. Tackle your most important task. Hydrate. Fuel up. Set your intention. Decide how you want to show up today. Each step stacks on the last. Win the first hour, and you win the day. Most people won't do this. They'll listen, nod, and go right back to their old habits. But you're not most people. If you've made it this far, you already know the truth. The way you start your morning shapes your life. So now the real question is, are you going to keep hitting snooze on your potential? Or are you finally going to wake up and take control? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about leveling up, hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, keep growing every day.